Ito, may mga lobs, 15 na to ngayong araw ng linggo, pitsa 26. 28 to 47 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Bukas, lunes, pitsa 27, 28 to 45 na northeast, 7 feet. Pitsa 28, martes, 27 to 46 na northeast, 7 to 10 feet. Yung 10 feet niya sa hapon mag-umpisa. Ganon din yan. Bukas, 40 lang din, 45. Didiretsuin mo na. Okay, sige. Ingat. Kopya. Magandang umaga. At yun na, amigong Tupada. Ah, 16-1 to ngayong araw ng linggo, pitsa 26. 28 to 46, the northeast, 7 feet. Bukas, lunes, pitsa 27, 28 to 48, na northeast, 7 feet pa rin. Pitsa 28, martes, 27 to 45, na northeast, 7 to 12 feet. Yung 10 feet niya mag-umpisa, tanghali, at yung 12 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 29, Miyerkules, 40 to 64 na northeast, 13 to 14 feet. Pitsa 30, Huwebes, 40 to 60 na northeast, 13 to 14 feet pa rin. Pitsa 31, Biyernes, 33 to 55 na este, 12 to 13 feet. Pitsa 1, Sabado, kalmada, 10 to 28 na este, ang alon 10 to 11 feet. Pitsa 2, linggo, 5 to 17 na este, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 3, lunes, 15 to 32 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. At pitsa 4, martes, 43 to 66 na northeast, 6 to 12 feet. Lumakas ulit ng amihan. Nakopya, amigong Tupada. Kopya. Ingat. Maganda. Sige. 15 na topor. Amigong Pugi dyan. Ngayong araw ng linggo, pitsa 26, 21 to 43 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Bukas, lunes, pitsa 27, 26 to 45 na northeast, 7 feet. Pitsa 28, martes, 30 to 50 na northeast, 8 to 11 feet. Yung 10 feet niya mag-umpisa ng tanghali. Tapos pa 11 feet na rin ng hapon. Pitsa 29, Miyerkules, 40 to 67 na northeast, 12 to 15 feet. Yung 15 feet niya sa gabi. Kaya pa? Okay, sige, ingat. Alam na, ha? Pitsa 28, malakas na yan. Sige. Ingat, amigong Pugi. Malayo-layo ka, umpisahan mo na. Sige. Ito, Diloy, 13-1 to 4. Ngayong araw ng linggo, pitsa 26, 20 to 42 na northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Bukas, lunes, pitsa 27, 28 to 47 na northeast, 7 feet. Pitsa 28, martes, 35 to 52 na northeast, 7 to 10 feet. Yung 10 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 29, Miyerkules, 35 to 53 na northeast, 10 to 12 feet, yung 12 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 30, Huwebes, 42 to 16 na east-northeast, 13 to 14 feet. Pitsa 31, Biyernes, ganun din, 40 to 60 na este, 13 to 14 feet pa rin. Pitsa 1, Sabado, humina yung hangin, 20 to 42 na este, 10 to 12 feet. Pitsa 2, Linggo, 10 to 28 na este, 8 to 9 feet. Pitsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 31 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. At Pitsa 4, Martes, 23 to 44 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Nako pi amigo mo dito dyan sa 13-1 to 4. Sige, wala ka naman ulit doon. Ingat kaya, ingat. Mahal ka daw, maga. Sige, ito 13 to 5, amigong Queen Melissa. Ngayong araw ng Lunes, Linggo dyan, Pitsa 26, 20 to 44 na northeast, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi. Bukas, Lunes, Pitsa 27, 32 to 50 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 28, Martes, 35 to 55 na northeast, 8 to 11 feet. Yung 11 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 29, Miyerkules, 41 to 60 na east-northeast, 11 to 13 feet. Pitsa 30, Huwebes, 45 to 66 na este, 14 to 15 feet. Pitsa 31, Biyernes, 44 to 66 na este, 14 to 15 feet pa rin. Pitsa 1, Sabado, 30 to 53 na este, 11 to 13 feet. Pitsa 2, Linggo, 15 to 36 na este, 8 to 10 feet. Pitsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 33 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. At Pitsa 4, Martes, 25 to 45 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Nakapiyami kong Queen Melissa niya sa 13-1 to 5. Sige, wala naman, maganda din. 4. Sige. King Mark 4, ngayong araw ng Linggo dyan sa 14-119. Pitsa 26, 20 to 40 na northeast, 3 to 5 feet. Pero mamayang hapon, mag-northwest. Bukas, Lunes, Pitsa 27, 25 to 48 na northeast, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitsa 28, Martes, 31 to 52 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 29, Miyerkules, 35 to 53 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Pitsa 30, Huwebes, 40 to 60 na northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Pitsa 31, Biyernes, 40 to 60 na este, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa gabi pa yun. Pitsa 1, Sabado, 25 to 44 na este, 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 2, Linggo, 15 to 38 na este, topic. Petsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 34 na este, 2 to 3 feet. At petsa 4, Martes, 22 to 44 na northeast. Sa umaga, 4 to 7 feet. Sa hapon hanggang gabi, 9 to 10 feet. Nakopya amigong King Mark 4 dyan sa 14119. Okay, ingat na amigong King Mark 4. 12-117 ngayong araw ng linggo, petsa 26, 28 to 45 na northeast, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya mamayang gabi. Petsa 27 bukas, Lunes, 44 to 61 na northeast, 9 to 11 feet. Yung 11 feet niya sa tanghali mag-umpisa. Petsa 28 Martes, 33 to 53 na northeast, 9 to 10 feet. Petsa 29 Miyerkules, 40 to 60 na northeast, 9 to 10 feet. Petsa 30 Huwebes, 36 to 56 na northeast, 8 to 9 feet. Petsa 31 Biyernes, kumalma na, 22 to 45 na este, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 5 feet niya sa hapon pa. Petsa 1, Sabado, 18 to 36 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 10 to 28 na este, 2 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, 17 to 34 na northeast, 3 to 5 feet. At petsa 4, Martes, 33 to 55 na northeast, sa umaga, 6 to 7 feet, alas 2 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 12 to 13 feet. Nakopya amigong sabi dyan sa 12-117. Sige, ingat. Magandang mga kapatid. Ito, Kuya Paul, 11-118, ngayong araw na linggo, petsa 26, 25 to 43 na northeast, 5 feet. Bukas Lunes, petsa 27, 33 to 50 na northeast, 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 28 Martes, 20 to 46 na northeast, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 29, Miyerkules, 15 to 31 na northeast, 7 feet. Petsa 30, Huwebes, 30 to 50 na northeast, 7 feet. Petsa 31, Biyernes, 31 to 53 na este, 4 to 7 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa gabi pa yun. Petsa 1, Sabado, 21 to 42 na este, 3 feet. Petsa 2, Linggo, 20 to 40 na este, 2 feet. Petsa 3, Lunes, 15 to 31 na northeast, 2 to 4 feet. At petsa 4, Martes, 30 to 51 na northeast, sa umaga, 4 to 5 feet. At sa hapon hanggang gabi, 7 to 10 feet. Nakopya Kuya Paul dyan sa 11-118. Ito, amigong Kuling, 12-118, yung araw ng linggo dyan, petsa 26, 27 to 47 na northeast, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya, mamayang gabi. Bukas, Lunes, petsa 27, 35 to 57 na northeast, 8 to 10 feet. Yung 10 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pizza 28, Martes, 33 to 53 na Northeast, 8 to 90. Pizza 29, Miyerkules, 35 to 55 na Northeast, 90. Pizza 30, Huwebes, 32 to 50 na Northeast, 7 to 80. Pizza 31, Biyernes, 20 to 45 na East Northeast, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 4 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon pa. Pizza 1, Sabado, 15, 36 na Este, 2 to 3 feet. Pizza 2, Linggo, 10 to 24 na Este, 2 feet. Pizza 3, Lunes, 10 to 24 na Northeast, 2 to 4 feet. Pizza 4, Martes, 26 to 46 na Northeast, sa umaga, 5 feet. Alas 2 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 10 to 13 feet. Nako kami go kuling niya sa 12, 118. Kopya po kayo. Yung pizza 5, malakas din yun, 45 to 60 na Northeast, 9 to 10 feet. Kaya lumakas ng pizza 4 dahil mas malakas yung pizza 5. Ay, sige. Ingat ka. Sorry. Sige. Ito, 09119, Amigo Hunter. Abante daw. Sige. 09119, ngayong araw ng linggo dyan, 26, 25 to 44 na Northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Lunes, 27, 35 to 50 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Sa Martes, 28, 35 to 50 na Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 29, Miyerkules, 33 to 51 na Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 30, Martes, 25 to 47 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 31, Biyernes, 24 to 47 na Este, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 3 feet niya sa hapon pa. Pizza 1, Sabado, 10 to 28 na Este, 2 feet. Pizza 2, Linggo, 15 to 30 na East Northeast, 1 to 2 feet. Pizza 3, Lunes, 15 to 30 na Northeast, 2 to 3 feet. At Pizza 4, Martes, 28 to 44 na Northeast, 4 to 6 feet. Pero yung Pizza 5, Miyerkules, 40 to 60 na Northeast, 7 feet. Nakopya Bossing Hunter dyan sa 09119. Okay, sige, Amigo Hunter, ingat, magandang umaga.